Today, I'm going to show you how to create an Instagram reel using Canva. Canva is an incredible tool for creating social media content like posts, stories, and reels. It's user-friendly, and you can access a bunch of features with the free version. Let's get started. Before you begin, keep all the text handy that you want to insert in your reel. Keep all the images, photos of models that you want to use, etc., and mock-ups of your book cover, handy. If you do not have images, you will have an option to use free images videos from Canva site. Open canva.com on your laptop. If you are accessing it for the first time, sign up using your email ID. This is what the Canva homepage looks like. It has all forms of templates that can be used to create the posts for your social media, like Instagram post, Instagram reel, Facebook cover, Instagram story, etc. For this video we will be using the template Instagram reel. A blank template for Instagram reel opens up. Go to the top left side and click on Design if you wish to select an existing template that Canva has to offer. The ones which have Pro written will need an upgrade and they are not free to use. If you click on them, you will be asked to upgrade from your free version to Pro version of Canva plan. If you don't wish to upgrade, click on any free templates and it will populate on the right side. Canva offers hundreds of free templates for you which you can then customize, adding your own text and photos to personalize them for your teasers. You can change the text as you want. For example, if you want to change the text of this template, all you have to do is click on the text and then replace the text with your own. Similarly, you can change every other text on that template by adding your text. Or even change the number of seconds you can that template to play. Click on this number which shows the number of seconds this template will play. You can either drag from the left or right side of this line to minimize or adjust the length of the template to play, or you can type manually the number of seconds you want it to play. Based on your input, the template will play for the required seconds. Now for this video, we will be using a blank template of Instagram reel. So once you have opened the blank template, click on Uploads in the left-hand side. Here you will see all the images, videos and audios that you have already uploaded in Canva. If you haven't uploaded them yet, then you can do so now. Just click on Upload Files option and upload the photo from your laptop. Once you do that, you will see like this all the images you have uploaded on Canva to use it for your posts and teasers. This is the text that I want to use in my reel today. As I said in the beginning, keep your text ready which you want to insert in your reel. Once that's ready, decide on the image you want to add first in your reel. Click on the image that you want to use for your reel and it will populate on your template. Drag the image to adjust it on the blank template as you want. Just like I am doing here to adjust the image entirely on the blank template. Once the image is adjusted, click on the text on the left side. Here you will see numerous options of texts to use for your reel. Check which one you want to use. Remember again, the ones which has Pro written on it will need upgrade to Pro version. They are not available for free. But you still have a number of text options for free which are enough to solve our purpose. For example, I clicked on this free text and it populated on my image. You can click on that text and replace it with your own. You can also drag it wherever you want to place it on the image so that it's visible. For this reel today, I'm going to select the basic text from the left-hand side and drag it to increase the font size so that it is visible. Then I will drag it to place it exactly where I want on this image. Once that's done, I'm going to go back to my text file and copy and paste the first text that I want to insert on this image of my reel. Adjust the text size by dragging in and out as per your requirement. You can change the font style of your text by clicking here. There are again hundreds of free fonts you can choose. and the ones which have the Pro sign next to them are paid ones and will need an upgrade to use them on your reel. Once you have selected the text font, you can also change the text size here. Either enter the size number manually or select from the drop-down. You can also change the text color by clicking here. You will find all the color options in the left side to choose from. To select a particular color, just click on the color icon and your text will be highlighted with the color chosen. For this reel, I am choosing the text color white and adjusting the text on the image again. Now if you see the text is not clearly visible over the photo. It's readable but could still be enhanced. So for doing so, click on the Elements section in the left side. Here you will find all kinds of shapes, frames, and other graphics which you can add to your reel. For example, type the graphic you are looking for and then press enter. You will see all the free and paid graphics available. Click on the one which you want to insert in your reel. Drag it to adjust the shape and also position it where you want. Now for this reel, I am going back to Elements and clicking on the square shape icon. Drag the icon on the image as needed. You can change the color of the shape icon you have selected. It will show you on the left the color palette of the image you have selected. You can choose the color to match your image palette or any other color you want. For this reel, I am using the color black. Adjust the shape like I am dragging it down to place it right behind my text. Now if you see, my white text is very much visible and readable than earlier. Now that you have your image and text ready, click on the animate option above to apply some animation. On the left-hand side, you will see different options for animating both your image and your text. Check which of these suits the best for your reel. To know how the image will look after the animation is applied, click on each one of them and see the effect. For this reel, I am going to use the animation breathe. By default, the image with animation will be played for 5 seconds. To adjust the time limit for this template, I am moving the image aside. Click on the blank screen behind the image. You will now see the options to apply the page animations. And this is where you can adjust the time limit of this template. Click on it and type manually the number of seconds you want this template to play. Once that is done, move the image again to cover up the blank white screen of the template. You can also change the background color of the page. Click on the color palette option above and select the color you want. For this reel, I am keeping the background black. Adjust the photo again to cover the background page. You can also change the animation for the element that you have selected. Like for these hearts here. Click on the element, and then click on Animate, and then choose the option from the left side as suitable. You can also change the text animation by clicking on the text, and then click on Animate. You can see at the left side all the available text animations. Browse through them and select the one you want. You have plenty of free text animations options which you can choose from. Once that's done, you can also add another blank slide to your template to add the next image and text for your reel. At the bottom, click on Add Page and a blank page will be added to your reel. To add your next image, click again on Uploads and select the image you have uploaded in Canva. Drag the image as you need to fit on the template. Go back to the first page of your template and copy the text and then paste it on page 2 to maintain the same text style and size. Once that's done, go back to the text file and copy the next text you want to add in page 2 of your reel. Paste or replace it on your page 2 of the reel. Adjust the text and the square shape icon behind as per your requirement. Now you can either apply the same animations as the previous page or you can choose new animation style. If you want the same animation for all pages, then go to page 1 and click on this tool here. Then click on page 2 and click on the image where you want the same animation of page 1 to be applied. I had used the animation style breathe for the page 1 image and now the same animation style is showing for page 2 also. Likewise, you can repeat the same thing for text animations too, to keep them same. Once again, to adjust the time limit for this second page of the reel to play, slide the image and then click on the blank section of the page. Then click on the time above to manually enter the number of seconds for this page to play. You can also select apply to all pages so that the same time is applied to all pages of that template. Drag the image to its position again. Likewise, you can add as many pages you want to your reel by clicking on Add Page option and then insert the images you want along with the text. Adjust the text accordingly and also you can change the color or the font or the square icon as necessary to suit the image palette of that page. Replace the text with your third text from your file. And use the same animation styles and text animations like you did for page 1 and 2. Once again, to adjust the time limit for this second page of the reel to play, slide the image and then click on the blank section of the page. Then click on the time above to manually enter the number of seconds for this page. You can also change the background color of the page if necessary. Add as many pages as you want to insert all the images you have decided for this reel and add the text and animations accordingly. For the last page of my reel, I like adding my book cover and some text on where it is available and when. Once all your pages and text are set, click play button on the top right to see how your reel will play after you download it. Now, this video has no sound so far. Instagram allows you to add music while you are uploading your video on it as reel. You can either do that or if you already have the MP3 file or audio file with you, then you can add it right here in Canva. Click on the upload at the left side and then upload the MP3 audio file from your laptop into Canva site. For this reel I have already uploaded the song I want in this reel. Click on the song here once it's uploaded and it will automatically populate in the right side. Drag the song at the right side to stretch it throughout all the pages of your template. In this case, all the 4 pages that we have created. Now double-click on that song slider and you will get to adjust the song start and end as you slide left and right. Click on play button to see if the song has been adjusted correctly from where you want it to start. Click on this share button and then download. Select file type as MP4 video for reels. There are other options like JPG, PNG, PDF, etc. By default, all 4 pages of your template are selected for download. You can also select which page number you want to download separately. Click on Done and then Download. The video will begin to download and will be saved in the download folder of your laptop.